Today po, magluluto po tayo ng beef nilaga. So, kung ready na ba kayo? Ang ingredients po natin dito ay beef, cabbage, bok choy, potato, patis, pepper, corn, and onion. So before we start cooking, I would like to thank all my subscribers that subscribe to me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe now and search as the Miesha's Kitchen, and you can find the link below. Okay mga Kulitins, now we can start to cook. First, we're gonna put our beef into our pan. Go ahead and do it. And now, we are gonna put our water. Okay mga Kulitins, now we're boiling the beef. And we're gonna wait 40 to 1 hour para po umambot ang ating beef. See you until 1 hour, guys.
1 hour later.
Okay mga Kulitins, now we're gonna put our onion or peppercorn and our patis para makalasa na po ang ating beef. Habang papakulo po natin. Let's go ahead and do that. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, 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 bing. Let's stir. Let's put the tap on and let it boil. Okay mga Kulitins, naka 1 hour na tayo. Now we can put our potato. Ang bango po. Ikaw, our potato. Masyadong mainit. So, yeah. Sabi na, alam nyo ba, marami kayo, kung bago lang kayo, ipanoorin lahat ng channel ko. Sabihin niyo sa mga friends din, mag-subscribe, ha? Okay? Now we can stir. Napakabango po. Ay naku po, sigurado pong makakasarap po itong maluluto natin. Naku po. Ang bango-bango na po talaga. Balik comment below kung ano pang gusto nyung gawin namin. Gusto nyung kare-kare.
Wow!
Gusto nyung adobo. Comment below naman. I-search nyo lang yung Miesha's Kitchen, tapos tignan nyo naman kung ano pang gusto nung lutuin ko, ha? Okay? We are gonna cover it para po maluto natin ang ating patatas. Okay lang, Kulitins, luto na po yung patatas natin. Now we need, before we add the cabbage and our bok choy, we need to add our salt and pepper. Kunti lang kasi ayaw na masyadong diba? Now we can put our cabbage and our bok choy. Hindi natin nagkakasya, guys. Magagat pa ako ng bok choy para masarap. Mga maliit lang ilalagay ko. Okay guys, ilalagay na namin po ito lahat. I think makakasa lang po ito. Okay guys, tatakpag na po natin for 2 minutes to 5 minutes and then ito na po ating beef nilaga.
More moments later.
Beef nilaga. First, we're gonna taste that. Very tender ang ating beef at napakasarap po as if. Kapag natigman nyo, maniniwala kayo sa akin na napakasarap. Yung sabaw, lasang-lasa talaga. Tsaka yung beef, lasang-lasa din po. So, nilagyan nyo ng kanin. Siguradong kakain na kayo kagad. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and make sure to share with your friends. And again, thank you for subscribing for my channel. Subscribe please if you're new. And please like and share and click the bell. And share with all your classmates and friends and families. I love you all. Bye!